So hello everyone, today I am again back with another DIY video. So I hope you all will like it. So without wasting your time, let's get into our new DIY project. So without wasting your time, let's get started. For the materials we need electric bulbs which are damaged, jute ropes, marker, acrylic paints and brushes. So let's start with our new project today's. So this is a old damaged bulb. As you can see, it has some patchy paints over here. So let me take the marker and I will try to draw some shape. So as you can see, I have drawn some shape over here. So let me complete the shape. So this is kind of an oval shape. You can draw of your own. Now I am taking white acrylic paint and I am coloring over or the inside of the shape. So you can color of your own choice. Complete the coloring process and keep it for drying. And I am completing the shape. As you can see, I have completed and keep it aside for drying. So after drying, I am taking black acrylic paint and I am covering the rest of the area with black paint, as you can see. So this is how we have to paint in the glass. As you know, the bulbs are made up of glass, so it is a bit difficult for us to paint over the glass. So after completing the black paint, I have made some eyes with the black paint only. So now I have taken an orange color and I am trying to make a triangular shape for the beak. So I hope now you can guess what I have made. Yes, it's a penguin. So I have made a penguin out of bulb, and now I am taking jute rope and wrapping over the metallic part of the bulb. So this is the method how to we have tie the rope, and this is a loop where we can hang the penguin. As you can see, I have hanged the penguin on my finger. So this is a smaller one and I have made another one with a big bulb. So as you can see, these are two bulbs or the two penguins which I have made. So this is how it looks like after we hang it on the wall or on the things. So I hope you all have liked this video. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you all have liked this video and this interesting DIY video. So I hope you all have liked it. So if you like, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more information and more stuff like this. So subscribe for the next video and stay tuned for the next one. Till then, be safe, take care, see you, have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.